Hi there! Need to learn how to set column A to print on every page in Excel? Let me help. Hey, I'm Sharyn from Excel at Work, where we offer straightforward, non-technical assistance to help you save time, work smarter, and improve your Microsoft Office skills. So, let's look at how to set column A to print on every page of your Excel worksheet. This feature is called Print Titles, and it's life-changing. It saves you huge amounts of hassle and time wasting. I'll show you how to set it up and how to remove it, because sometimes you can come across a file where someone else has set the print titles already, and you may need to modify these settings or maybe remove the settings altogether. Now, if you're using my 100 plus steps to Proficient workbook to improve your Excel skills, I've popped the topic number this video relates to in the description box below. And if you haven't yet claimed a copy of this workbook, I've also added a link to where you can grab yourself a copy. Right, let's look at how to set column A to print on every page. Okay, so I want to take you into Print Preview to have a look at this report. So I've just popped my little Print Preview button up the top here on my Quick Access toolbar, just by popping that on. So I'm just going to use that to quickly get into Print Preview. Okay, here we go. I have my printout here ready to go, and you can see that I've got my PO number, my purchase order number column showing. That's my column A. Now if I go through to the second page, you can see that I no longer can see that purchase order number, and that can be such a pain because you're actually wanting to see, well, what does this amount actually refer to? And of course we're losing that because it's over here. I know I could probably change this around to landscape, right? But just for this exercise, just bear with me, okay? So what we can do is I'm just going to come out of Print Preview. We're going to make our way over to Page Layout, to the Page Layout tab up here, and we're heading to Print Titles. So once we've got the Print Titles dialog box open, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down underneath Print Titles here. I'm going to click into Columns to Repeat at Left. Now once you've clicked in there and you can see your little insertion bar flashing in there, now make your way over onto the actual data sheet, and you'll see that your arrow becomes a little black arrow when you place it over column A. So not down here, but up here. And if you click, you will see that it selects all of column A. Right, let's go and have a look now. I'm just going to come out of here, and I'll just make my way back to Print Preview. Of course, you know, you can go File, Print if you want to. That's the same thing. Now let's make our way through to page 2. Look at that. So you can actually see wherever there's a page break, that column will be repeated at the beginning of the page. So good, right? Just saves you so many hassles of having to cross-reference through your printed pages. So that's cool. Now sometimes you actually will receive a workbook or a file that has these turned on and you want to turn them off. So I'm going to show you how to turn them off as well. So I'll just come out of here, make our way back to Page Layout, Print Titles. This is so easy. All you do is you just delete the reference out of there. Okay, now you can get to Print Preview straight from here as well, so rather than going OK and then having to make our way there, just go into here and you'll see now obviously this is where we started. If I go through to page 2, no longer do we have those print titles on. Okay, so I'll just make my way back. I hope that was really helpful. It's pretty easy, eh? So I really hope this instruction has been helpful and you are now able to set up your print titles and remove them too should you need to. Now if this has been helpful, please let me know in the comments below. And if you use Excel and want to stay connected, please consider liking, following, subscribing, because I'm sharing new videos regularly. And if you know someone who would benefit from this help, please be sure to share this video with them. Hey, thanks for watching and have a fabulous day.